Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Wayne from Summit Water, and I'm with the Inside Technical Sales team. I've been in the water treatment industry for more than 35 years, both in the field and now on the design and support side. We currently have the meeting set up so that you are all muted. There will be time for questions at the end. I'm excited to introduce to you the Pentair 5800 XTR2 valve, a state-of-the-art solution designed to optimize performance, enhance user experience, and provide long-term value in water treatment applications. This valve is more than just a piece of equipment. It's a testament to Pentair's commitment to innovation and user-centered design. The 5800 XTR2 valve is Pentair's flagship water treatment valve designed for residential and light commercial use. Let's take a closer look at the cutting-edge features that make this system an industry leader. Each feature has been carefully designed to provide convenience, efficiency, and long-term value. First, the advanced touchscreen. This full-color display transforms the user experience. Unlike older systems with small, hard-to-read screens, confusing button layouts, the intuitive interface of this system puts everything you need at your fingertips. Programming settings, monitoring regeneration, or diagnosing issues is now easier than ever. Visual cues and on-screen prompts guide you through each step, making the system accessible even for those with minimal technical expertise. Additionally, the touchscreen offers clear feedback, helping users understand the system's operation at a glance. Next, we have customizable modes. This system is equipped with tri-mode functionality, allowing users to choose between time clock regeneration, metered regeneration, and AccuSense technology. For those unfamiliar, time clock regeneration schedules the system to recharge at specific intervals, ideal for predictable water usage patterns or filter applications. Metered regeneration adapts to actual water usage, maximizing efficiency by only regenerating when necessary. AccuSense technology monitors real-time water hardness and regenerates when the system senses hard water, achieving optimal efficiency. Combining the 5800 valve and the XTR2 controller allows the dealer to offer a good, better, best program on a full range of softeners and filters while minimizing parts and service. This flexibility ensures that whether you're managing a small household or a high-demand business on rural or municipal water, the system is optimized for your specific needs, saving both water and energy. Enhanced diagnostics take the guesswork out of maintenance. This system includes built-in tracking and logging features that provide a wealth of information about its performance, from historical data on water usage, regeneration frequency, etc. The diagnostic data offers a proactive approach to maintenance and service. By catching potential problems early, you can avoid costly repairs and reduce service calls. For technicians, the diagnostic logs provide a detailed overview of the system's history, speeding up troubleshooting and ensuring faster resolutions. And finally, proven durability. This system is built to last, with a design focused on reliability and efficiency. Every component is crafted from high-quality materials that can withstand years of operation in demanding conditions. Whether it's high flow rates, fluctuating water quality, or frequent usage, this system maintains peak performance without compromising efficiency. Its long-term reliability reduces the needs for replacements and ensures that your investment continues to deliver value year after year. Starting with the advanced touchscreen interface, this full-color, high-resolution display is at the core of the system's user-friendly design. It simplifies programming by walking users through setup and adjustments with clear step-by-step instructions. The touchscreen reduces setup time and minimizes errors, thanks to the visual confirmations and intuitive navigation. For technicians and users alike, it means less time spent troubleshooting and more confidence in the accuracy of every setting. Whether you're fine-tuning cycles, scheduling maintenance reminders, or viewing system diagnostics, the touchscreen provides all the tools you need with just a tap. Next is customizable programming, a feature designed to provide unparalleled flexibility. This system can adapt to a wide range of water conditions and demands, supporting various flow rates and water hardness levels, with options to fine-tune regeneration cycles, whether based on time, volume, or a combination. You can ensure peak performance and efficiency tailored to your unique requirements. For example, households and businesses with variable water usage can easily optimize their settings by using features such as variable brining or variable reserve to balance cost savings with performance. This adaptability ensures the system remains effective no matter how your needs change over time. Now let's talk about high flow capacity. The system is built to handle significant water flow rates, making it ideal for not only residential setups, but also for light commercial applications. Its robust design ensures consistent performance, even during peak water usage periods. For larger households, small businesses, or facilities with heavy water demands, this means uninterrupted water treatment and pressure stability. You'll never have to compromise on performance, whether you're running multiple appliances or catering to high-capacity operations. Moving on to diagnostics and alerts. This feature takes a proactive maintenance to a whole new level. The system continuously monitors its performance, capturing real-time data to ensure everything is running smoothly. Performance data provides a comprehensive history of system performance. It can also alert the user when maintenance is due. This means fewer unexpected disruptions and a longer equipment lifespan. Finally, durability and reliability. This system is constructed with corrosion-resistant materials, ensuring it can withstand harsh conditions and challenging water environments. Its rugged build is designed for long-lasting performance, minimizing the needs for repairs or replacements. Whether exposed to fluctuating water quality, high flow demands, or demanding operational conditions, the system continuously delivers reliable results. This durability makes it an investment you can trust to provide year after year value. First, ease of use. The XTR2 valve is equipped with a high-resolution, intuitive touchscreen interface that transforms the way you interact with your water system. Unlike traditional controls, which often require flipping through complicated manuals, the touchscreen guides you step by step, ensuring smooth operation. Whether it's setting up the system or making adjustments, everything is clear and straightforward. This design eliminates frustration and allows users of any experience level to operate it with confidence. Next, peace of mind, which is critical when managing something as essential as your water supply. The XTR2 valve includes advanced diagnostic tools that continuously monitor the system's performance. You'll also benefit from detailed data and alerts, and so you always know your system is functioning correctly. With the XTR2, you don't just have a valve, you have a smart partner in water management. Now let's talk about its modern appeal. The XTR2 valve boasts a sleek and professional design that fits perfectly into contemporary water systems. This is not just functional equipment. It's a well-designed component that enhances the aesthetics of any setup. For customers installing systems in high-end homes or businesses, the modern look is an added bonus, reflecting the sophistication and quality that the technology it supports. Time is one of the most valuable resources we have, and the XTR2 helps you save plenty of it. From the initial setup to ongoing maintenance, the system is designed for efficiency. The intuitive interface speeds up installation, while the diagnostic tools simplify troubleshooting and problem resolution. Quick access and one tool serviceability ensures service calls are shorter and adjustments are faster, which translates into less downtime, increased productivity, and more time for you to focus on other priorities. One of the standout benefits of the XTR2 valve is its scalability. This system is versatile enough to meet the needs of a variety of applications. Whether it's a small household or a growing small business, the valve can easily adapt to different demands. Its programmable features allow you to customize settings for unique usage and patterns and applications. And as your water treatment requirements evolve, the XTR2 is ready to evolve with you, making it a future-proof investment. Finally, let's touch on sustainability, a growing concern for many customers. The XTR2 valve is engineered with water and energy efficiency in mind. By optimizing regeneration cycles and minimizing waste, it reduces water and salt consumption. This not only lowers operating costs, but also supports environmentally friendly practices. For eco-conscious customers, this system aligns perfectly with their sustainability goals while delivering top-tier performance. Summit Water is proud to offer all dealers with this incredible sale for the first quarter. Upgrade to the unparalleled water quality with the 5800 XTR2 water softener, now available at the unbeatable 5800 SXT price. But hurry, this exclusive offer is only available until April 11th, 2025. And here's the best part. Buy 4 of the 5800 XTR2 water softeners at once and receive a limited edition Summit Water Carhartt hoodie on us. Don't miss this chance to elevate your water quality. Act now as the offer ends on April the 11th of this year. Throughout this presentation, we have explored the advanced features, unparalleled efficiencies, and exceptional reliability of the Pentair XTR2 valve. From its intuitive touchscreen interface and flexible programming options to its robust flow capacity and energy-efficient design, this system is crafted to deliver superior performance for both residential and light commercial applications. We've also highlighted its proactive diagnostics, real-time alerts, and durable construction, all of which ensure long-term dependability and peace of mind for end users. The Pentair XTR2 isn't just a water treatment system, it's a solution designed to simplify operations, enhance efficiency, and adapt to your evolving needs. Whether you're prioritizing sustainability, reducing maintenance downtime, or improving ease of use, this system offers the tools to meet and exceed your expectations. By investing in the XTR2, you're not just investing in cutting-edge technology, but you're choosing a partner in water management that delivers value for years to come. At this time, we would like to open the mic to any questions you might have. Bob, are you there?
Can you hear me all right?
I can hear you fine.
Yeah, my quick question was for the valve hood. I'm assuming I have the answer, but does the valve hood impact any savings on the brine salt at all, or is that more just with the upgraded resins?
No, you can actually set it for variable reserve as well as variable brining. So a variable reserve, it allows the unit itself to calculate the exact amount of water you're using, for example, on a daily basis in your home. And it takes those numbers and it calculates and adjusts down to your true family's usage. So what it does is it starts to lower the setback or the reserve, and it will fine tune it so that it will only then regenerate with your home's true water usage in mind. The variable brining, what it does is it then says, okay, I've used 997 gallons today instead of 1,040, and it will then shorten up the amount of water that it adds to the brine tank. And so therefore it will create less brine, saving you some money in salt each and every time. Did that
Nice, thank you.
help
So
your...
it's just not a set salt level of 12 pounds every regen then.
That's right.
It could very well be down to 9 or 7, whatever, or it could be higher if the water levels increase in the house.
Okay, that's great. I'm glad that helped.
Right.
So,
thank you.
Melanie, I think I've got your question here. sorry we couldn't have it voice to voice, but you've asked, what is the Carhartt offer? Sell for, does it matter what system? Do you get a hoodie with every 4 you sell? So it doesn't matter which units you purchase. So whether it's say a 30K 58 XTR2 and a 45K SST 58 XTR2, as long as it totals up to 4, regardless of the model, you get a hoodie with every 4-pack you order. Does anybody else have a question? Hi, Jacob. What was your question?
Hey, Wayne. Yeah, no, I was more just curious, since you kind of had to go over a lot in not much time, are there some features you didn't mention that you think are worth highlighting, or others you didn't mention?
Yeah, there is. If we go back to the home screen, there are some options on there. So we touched on things like diagnostics, but there is, for example, if a homeowner doesn't know who to contact and they think they're having a problem, you can actually program in your dealership's contact information. So I happen to have this one set up for Summit Water. That's my direct phone line here at the office. But you can put in there your dealership's number, an after-hour emergencies number. That can be direct to a technician. It can be to the company itself. So that's an option. It will also come up. So we briefly talked about maintenance. So if you have, for example, a filter that's connected with the softener and you want to have that filter changed, and everybody's day goes by, the months go by, and you forget about things, the softener will, or the filter will be set up to provide an alert that says it's time to change a filter. And so that alert will come up and give you a display, and it'll instruct the homeowner again to reach out for support or service. And there's another feature, which is a vacation mode. And so the vacation mode, when selected, it allows the valve to recognize that you're going to be gone for a period of time. It won't regenerate, and it knows that there's not going to be any water flowing through it. When you come home, you're done your vacation, you can simply press the vacation mode button again, and it reverts back to its regular operation. The other thing vacation mode does is it will actually override itself. If you come home and you start using water and you forget to unsignal it, it recognizes that there's been water flow and will restart its usage. So I hopefully that answers a few other options for you. And sorry, did we have any more questions?
My question is there also a set of dry contacts in that for a totally smart home?
So on the XTR2, we don't have that option. There was a Wi-Fi version. The Wi-Fi version, that unit is no longer available. There is another version of controller, which is the NXT2 controller. That one has dry contact outputs, but the XTR2, it does not.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I've got you. Go ahead.
So I see that you mentioned about the simplified serviceability with few parts.
Right.
Can you elaborate that part?
Yes. So one of the great features of this valve style is that it's very quick disassembly, very quick serviceability. Cover pops off. You can actually just pop the controller right out. And if you need to get in the valve itself, on the side, the drain line flow control housing is just a clip connection. And on the back, so if you actually have to get into the valve, I happen to have a Pentair. When I talk about one tool, it has both a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 nut driver attachment. You can take apart the injector area, the meter, and you can, oops, sorry about that. You can get into the valve, by simply removing, there's 3, I might as well just take this apart all the way, because we did talk about time savings in the field, serviceability. So 3 bolts and the entire controller timer assembly will disengage. You can take that apart. The meter pops right out. You can set the controller aside. Two more small set screws. And you can pull the piston and seal stack assembly directly out. So that's the entire service piston kit. And then inside is the seal and spacer stack. So one of the improvements they've made on the entire 5800 body is that the seal and spacer, instead of being individual components, it's now a one-piece cartridge design. So you can install your new part, reinstall your piston kit, put it back together, and your serviceability is down to just minutes. I did also mention downflow, upflow. You can convert this valve in the field or at the shop, or we can do it for you. You can literally take out a downflow piston, and this one has a white dot, which denotes that it is downflow. You can take this out, drop in an upflow piston, which has a little blue dot, and now you've actually converted the entire valve into an upflow design. You simply apply the upflow programming, and you've actually done a field conversion if you want to change it on the fly. Anybody else have questions? Let's see, I'm just going to try to read one. Hi, Wayne was asking where we can access the performance data. Okay, so let me kind of quick put this back together. I'll reassemble it properly later. I'll just get this on here so it'll hold up, stand up. So the diagnostic data. It'll come up diagnostics. It'll give you items such as flow rate, peak flow rate. So peak flow rate is what has been the peak flow rate since you last accessed the valve or the controller. It gives you a totalizer, which actually keeps a running total of all the water going through the house or the business. You can advance. You can see when did it last regenerate. What's the reserve, the software version. You can see number of regenerations since it was installed, regeneration interval. You can see daily usage. Right now, this valve has not been in service, so some of the data, there is actually no data in place, but it would be there in the field. How many gallons have been used since the last regeneration, and last settings changed. So those are all of the various diagnostic tools that are available. Anybody else have any questions? Aisha, did you have a question?
Yeah, I did. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. You mentioned upflow.
Upflow regeneration, yes. So upflow regeneration is an option. It can really be paired up with variable brining, and so the two together can be modified on the valve so that your system now pulls brine in the reverse direction. It provides a more efficient regeneration, and what makes this valve unique is the same valve body is compatible with both downflow and upflow, unlike other valves or competitors where there are actually differences in the valve body, and you can't use the same valve body, hence the same service parts for all of the other items. You actually have to have a different valve. So that makes the 5800 rather unique. And we did talk, just in case you missed it, we did talk about identifying a downflow or upflow. There's a white dot for downflow and a blue dot for upflow. And we do carry both of those service kits at Summit Water. Any other questions? Okay, well, I'd like to thank everybody for attending today's presentation. And we just want to remind everybody that we're always available here at Summit Water. You can email, you can call. We will also be saving and making this presentation available after today. And thanks very much for attending, and look forward to speaking with you in the future.